In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom voice in ElevenLabs fast and easy. This is a powerful tool that can really enhance your audio projects by allowing you to create personalized voices with just a few simple steps. Whether you're creating content for a podcast, video, or any other audio application, having a unique voice can set you apart. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Voice Lab. This is the hub where all the magic happens. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you should have no trouble finding your way around. Once you're comfortable, let's move on to the next step. You'll need to click on the option to add a new voice. You'll see an option for instant voice cloning, and this is what we're after. This feature allows you to create a custom voice based on an existing audio sample. Just imagine the possibilities. You could have a voice that sounds just like your favorite narrator, or perhaps something entirely unique. Now this part is crucial. You'll need to upload a clean audio sample of the speaker you'd like to clone. Clarity is key here. Make sure the audio is free of background noise and distortion. The quality of your sample will directly affect the final output, so take the time to ensure it's as clear as possible. This might mean recording in a quiet room or using good quality recording equipment. Once your audio sample is uploaded, you'll need to name your new voice. This step is as simple as it sounds, but don't underestimate its importance. Choosing a clear and descriptive name will help you easily find and manage your voice within your library, especially if you plan on creating more than one custom voice. After you've chosen a name, go ahead and click the Clone button. This initiates the process of transforming your audio sample into a fully fledged custom voice. This might take a few moments, so feel free to stretch or make a cup of tea as the platform does its thing. The system will work its magic, applying cutting-edge technology to create a digital voice that's unique to you. Once the cloning process is complete, you'll find that your new voice has appeared in your voice list. Congratulations! You now have a custom voice that you can use across your projects. It will be available alongside any other voices you've created or are planning to create. This seamless integration into your existing library makes managing and using your voices a breeze. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom voice in ElevenLabs. With this powerful tool at your disposal, you're ready to explore new creative possibilities